Hey guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel, Epic Cooking with Chef Patricia. Today, I have a treat for you. Today, I'm making a garlic cream sauce, but I have some leftover crab meat from a seafood boil I did a couple weeks ago. I froze the crab meat, and today, I'm using that crab meat into the garlic cream sauce and mixing in some ziti with it. It's gonna be great. My kids love seafood, and so this pasta dish is gonna be easy, it's gonna be tasty, and you and your family can enjoy it. And you can substitute the crab for any type of meat that you like, some chicken, or you just want veggies, some broccoli. It's gonna be great, and you can use it however you wanna use it. Join me as we get started soon.
Cooking with Chef P. Nothing ordinary about you or food. EPIC. Cooking with Chef P. Nothing ordinary about you or food.
Okay guys, so I have my water boiling already, and inside of the water I have salt and a little bit of olive oil, and we're going to get the pasta started. I'm using pastine ziti. I'm going to use about a 1.5 bag of this. And after you put it in, just give it a little stir so it doesn't get clumpy and stick. Then I have a tablespoon of butter, right? Just gonna put it in here. Tablespoon of butter. And I have 3 garlic cloves chopped already, which is right here. Take the garlic clove. Put it in here. Don't want to leave any garlic left behind. I love garlic. And remember, you know, it's good to stir your garlic, because the worst taste ever is burnt garlic. You don't want your garlic to burn. You want to get the aroma and the flavor of it without having burnt garlic. You're not gonna like that flavor in your sauce, right? Normally, sometimes you can do a roux where you do the butter and you can do your garlic and you add some flour to make your sauce thicker. Today, I'm not using a roux. I'm just gonna use just the garlic and the cream sauce, and cook the cream sauce down, add the crab meat to it, season it, and when the pasta is finished, we're gonna put the pasta in. So right now, I wish you could smell it. The garlic aroma is so good. It smells so great. So I constantly turn my garlic because I don't want it to burn. All right. Then I'm gonna use heavy cream. I'm using the Wegmans brand heavy cream. I'm gonna pour it in here. I'm going to put some garlic salt from Trader Joe's. Season my cream. I'm going to put, because I'm using seafood, I'm going to put a little bit of dill in my cream sauce. Just about a teaspoon. And I'm going to use some Italian seasoning in my cream sauce as well. I'm going to give my pasta another turn so they don't get stuck to the bottom there. Now this is just something quick and easy for the family, but I definitely wanted to come on and just share it with you because they love this so much. And you can always add, when you're doing cream sauce, adding white pepper is good. So the black pepper grain's not showing, but I'm gonna use black pepper because I don't have any white pepper today. I'm gonna stir that in, my cream sauce. And to this sauce, you can also add, like, if you want to add Parmesan, or if you want your sauce to be really cheesy, you can add some Parmesan, you can add some mozzarella. So I'm gonna let the cream thicken up a little bit, and when the pasta's done, I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna add everything together, and you're gonna see in a few minutes, okay? So I'm gonna add everything together once it's done, and I'll be right back. Hey guys, welcome back. So what I did is I took some of about 2 ladles of the pasta water and added into the cream sauce just to give it a depth of flavor. And our sauce is getting there, it's thickening up. But I want to show you this king crab meat. Check that out. Hey, good looking. Yeah, they're gonna be excited about that. Pasta al dente, because I want to cook it a little bit also in this cream sauce. So I'm adding it in. I just want the noodles to be nicely coated in the cream sauce. Some more noodles in there. Actually, I use all there. And then they're not too soft. They're al dente. I'm gonna soften them up a little bit more. The cream sauce. Add our crab meat in there. Oh, that's going to be lovely. These kids are eating good today. Do you hear me? Okay, we'll let that finish up and I will show you the end product in a minute. So hey guys, this is the end result. I will tell you, I couldn't resist. I added a little bit of Parmesan and a little bit of mozzarella. So it is a garlic cream Parmesan sauce. That's what it ended up turning into, and this is what it looks like. It's nice and creamy. You got your chunks of crab meat in there. As you can see, I'm just going to sprinkle a little dry parsley, and tell me your family won't enjoy that. They definitely will. Thank you for joining me. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and remember, there's nothing ordinary about my food, and there's nothing ordinary about you. See you next time. Thank you.